Drumming is this incredible activity that for an hour and a half, these educators are going to experience. So I'm super excited. We got 5 of these workshops this week, and it's really going to be fun. So my name is Mike Veny, and I am here in Plattsburgh, New York, to work with Champlain Valley Educational Services and facilitate drumming workshops for educators. I love drumming. Drumming has been a big part of my life, and I'm super excited to be here.
My name is Emily, and I'm Mike's assistant, and today we are at Beekman High School in Plattsburgh, New York, and we are doing Mike's Corporate Wellness Drumming Workshop. And we're super excited because today, even though our group is a little bit smaller and the week is going to be a long one, the best part is that we get to have this one-on-one experience with everyone involved, and we're super excited. So let's go.
Good, keep going. Try to sound like one drum, a little louder. Good. But I want to talk to you about the why behind these workshops. There was some research released by Moodle that included researchers from Census-wide that said that right now in May of 2025, when I'm doing this recording, 66% of employees are feeling some sense of burnout. That's 2 out of 3 employees. Now, if we compare that to the mental health statistic that people had for many years, 1 in 4, this is an increase actually. And we're assuming that everyone is telling the truth when these kinds of surveys happen. So it's important to understand that people are experiencing burnout right now. Now, stress is your body's response to stimuli. It's an imprint left on your central nervous system. And when you don't deal with those imprints on your central nervous system, it becomes dysregulated. How do you know if your central nervous system is dysregulated? Well, you might feel irritable. You might have some brain fog. I've had a lot of that recently. Or you may be on edge all the time or really sleepy all the time. So it's important to keep that in mind. Now, with that in mind, mental health issues and people issues go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. No. And right now in this country, people are feeling a real sense of division. I mean, it's not good. So it's important that you address people issues and mental health issues at the same time. And think about it for a moment. If you've got a mental health issue, chances are there's a person in your mind that goes with that issue, or several people, and the person can be imaginary too, or it's affecting your relationships because you're struggling with mental health. So you have to address both at the same time, and this is why I love the drumming, because we get to address both. So why drumming? Drumming is fun, we know that, but drumming produces this thing called entrainment. And entrainment is the act of a rhythm coming together so people will get to feel a sense of unity. It's really, really awesome. Try to listen to what's going on around you and just participate however you want. You don't have to play the exact same thing someone else is doing, but you just might want to hear what someone's doing and do something complimentary. A little louder. There we go. Notice how much better it's sounding now, right? And also, drumming is just good for your health. It's been proven to lower stress. It's been proven to improve your mood. And most importantly, it helps your immune system. It actually boosts it.
So the cool thing about working with Mike is that every single experience is different and every group is different. And you can't really compare any of the two simply because everyone reacts to things differently and everyone has their own struggles with mental health. So being able to help so many different people from so many different backgrounds is just so fulfilling and rewarding for both of us. So the better I do my job, the better Mike can do his.
I am feeling on top of the world. I mean, we just did this drumming event, and in a world that's so divided, for an hour and a half, people were united, and it's just a beautiful thing.
I got happiness, a sense of calm and unity. It was really nice that we all came from different things, had all the different busy days, and it kind of brought us together and calm, and everybody was accepted.
One of the things that we heard from people was stress relief or relaxing. It's so interesting because we're drumming, right? We're making noise and it's physical. You think of that, okay, maybe it's exciting, feels good, but everyone was like grounded, relaxing. So I thought that was wonderful that people got that experience because that's what you want to have out of drumming.
Hey, I just finished the drumming class and it was very relaxing and energizing at the same time. It was fun to work with a lot of people that I've never met before, and we kind of came together as a group, and I think everybody got a lot out of it. And thank you so much for doing this.
It was very fulfilling and rejuvenating. What I got out of it is to remember what it's like to always be a student in their perspective and what it's like to be in their shoes as a learner.